Looking for a Gladiator that blends powerful performance, premium craftsmanship, and everyday versatility? Then you found it here in the custom MaxWell Built Shadow Ops 4x4. Starting with a MOPAR 2-inch lift, paired with the Bilstein reservoir shocks and steering stabilizer. It gives the Gladiator a commanding stance while still delivering the confident ride quality you would expect from a professionally engineered build. Backed by factory warranty. 35-inch BFGoodrich KO3 all-terrain tires. Wrapped around Mickey Thompson Classic Pro wheels gives this Gladiator improved traction and aggressive presence. Rock slide engineering power steps deploy for effortless entry and retract for heavy-duty off-road rock protection. The MOPAR Sunrider lets you experience open-air freedom in seconds. A factory-installed one winch gives you premium recovery capability whenever the adventure calls. Whether it's your daily commute or a weekend at the ranch, this custom MaxWell Built Shadow Ops 4x4 looks as good as it performs.